In this video, I'll walk you through how to connect Microsoft Teams with n8n step by step. To get started, sign into your n8n account and click the Create Workflow button. This will open a new empty workflow canvas where you'll build your automation. Next, go to the toolbar and click the plus icon to add a new node. In the search field, type Microsoft Teams and select it from the list. From the available triggers, choose On New Channel. This trigger allows the workflow to run automatically whenever a new channel is created in Microsoft Teams. After that, you'll need to set up your credentials. Click Select Credentials, then choose Create New Credential and connect your account. You'll be redirected to the Microsoft Sign-In page. Log in using your Microsoft account and approve the permissions so n8n can access Microsoft Teams on your behalf. Once the connection is successful, you'll be taken back to your workflow. At this point, Microsoft Teams is fully connected, and you can start using it as part of your automations in n8n. And that's it. You've successfully linked Microsoft Teams with n8n. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching.